everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to upload a GIF or GIF to Discord. If you've ever want to share a GIF in a server or chat, this is super quick and easy to do. So first, go ahead and open the Discord app on your laptop. Once it's open, navigate to the server or channel you want to send the GIF. Now look at the message box at the bottom. You'll see the plus icon beside it. Go ahead and click on that. This will give you the option to upload a file. Next, click on Upload a File, and a file window will open, and from here, you just need to locate the GIF you want to upload. For example, if your GIF is saved on your desktop, just go to your desktop folder and select it. Now, once you've selected your GIF, click on Open. You'll now see a preview of the GIF before sending it. At this point, you have a few optional settings you can customize. You can mark the GIF as a spoiler if you want it to be hidden until someone clicks on it. You can also edit the file name if needed. You can also add description and tap on save. After you've done setting everything up, simply press enter on your keyboard and your GIF will now be uploaded to the Discord channel, and everyone in the server will be able to see it. Another way you can send the GIF is to go to the right side and tap on the GIF button. So you can choose a lot of GIFs in here. You have trending, happy birthday, thank you, excited, sorry, happy, and a lot more. For example, I'm gonna tap on trending GIFs. So if you like this one, if you want to send it this one, just tap on it and it will be sent directly to that server. And that's it. That's how you can easily upload and share a GIF on Discord. If this helped you out, don't forget to like and subscribe for more simple and helpful tutorials. Thanks for watching.